Hey everyone, welcome back to SaasTrac, where we cut through the noise and bring you honest, hands-on reviews of tools that matter. Today, we're diving into ShortStack, a platform designed for building and managing contests, giveaways, landing pages, and automated marketing campaigns. If you're looking for a no-code solution to launch custom promotions, ShortStack might be on your radar. But before you dive in, we've got the full breakdown, including a few pros and cons you should definitely know. Once we logged into the dashboard, we were greeted with a clean and functional interface. It's nothing too flashy, but it gets the job done. You can start a new campaign from scratch, collect Instagram, and import comments, or jump into one of their pre-built templates. Let us just create a campaign, and here's where things get really helpful. Templates are categorized by campaign type, like photo contests, quizzes, and more. That makes it much easier to pick a layout that fits your exact goal without reinventing the wheel. When we launched a new campaign, it opened up ShortStack's visual editor. It's a drag-and-drop builder, which gives you control over layout, images, form fields, and third-party integrations. The builder works fine, but it did feel a bit clunky at times, especially if you're used to smoother platforms like Webflow or Elementor. It's functional, but not the most modern or intuitive UI out there, and first-time users might hit a slight learning curve. What really makes ShortStack stand out is its contest management features. You can set up automatic entry validation, apply submission limits, filter entries by custom rules, and even automate winner selection. These are huge if you're running high-volume campaigns or need to ensure compliance with contest regulations. There's also built-in fraud detection to catch duplicate or bot entries, which is a must-have for keeping campaigns fair. Honestly, it's one of the best platforms we've seen for handling contest logistics without manual oversight. When it comes to integrations, ShortStack plays well with major email platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ActiveCampaign. That means you can automatically sync new leads to your mailing list and follow up with participants right after the campaign ends. However, e-commerce integrations are a weak spot. If you're running a store on Shopify or WooCommerce, you'll find options here are limited or completely missing. That's something to keep in mind if your campaign needs to connect with your product catalog or storefront. On the analytics side, ShortStack gives you a decent overview. You can track page views, form conversions, and traffic sources. It's enough to understand how your campaign is performing on a surface level, but if you want deeper insights, you'll likely need to export data and run it through a more advanced analytics tool like Google Data Studio or Looker. ShortStack offers multiple tiers based on your campaign needs. The basic tier supports unlimited campaigns with a smaller entry limit. Great for getting started. As you move up, you unlock features like photo contests, hashtag promotions, and white label support. Higher plans also increase entry storage and include perks like a dedicated account manager for larger teams or agencies. So here's our take. ShortStack is a powerful platform if you're regularly running contests or lead gen campaigns. Its automation tools, form handling, and compliance features are genuinely helpful. But the interface feels a bit dated, some key integrations are missing, and the pricing may be out of reach for casual users. If you're running multiple campaigns a year and want a professional solution that just works, ShortStack might be the right investment. But if you're only launching the occasional giveaway, there are more budget-friendly options out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to SaasTrac, and turn on notifications for more no-nonsense software reviews.